is hard. But
Yet another sneaker unboxing. Now, there's nothing wrong with sneaker unboxings. I'd love to know down below, like, what do you guys like to see more? Do you like the sneaker unboxings when I get the big hauls, or do you like strictly reviews? Let me know.
so here we are back again with 2 sneaker pickups, man. And I'll tell you, recently, it's like, man, I have been doing this for a long time, right? Now, I feel like every video I'm talking about this. It's just like a sense of writer's block because you want to be so creative, yet at the same time, it's kind of pretty basic as far as sneaker content goes. You know, you review the same shoe, different colorway, really nothing too spectacular to it. And I do miss, like, you know, when I initially started, I just kind of had fun with it, made skits, did all that good stuff, and I would love to get back to that, just that creative aspect. But I need you guys' help. I need you to hit the thumbs up to let me know that's what you want to see. Nah, before you say it, I already know the cornrows is gone, bro. We'll get them back. Relax. Let the hair breathe a little bit. Let me just have my little Don King fro for today. But if you didn't know, Undefeated released another set. This is the 3rd round of Dunks and Air Forces that they've released of the 5 on it. Again, a really cool concept. I love seeing Undefeated drop shoes. I think they always kill it as far as their sneakers go and collaborations. Just in general, even like the merchandise that they drop, fire. I really rock with it. I love going to the store. I used to always go on La Brea when I lived out in Los Angeles. So it would be nice if there was one in Colorado. If you guys want to bring one out here, I'd appreciate it. You know? Other than that, I wanted to show you the 2 most recent pickups. Again, I've been going crazy on shoes. I just need places to wear them, bro. I need to like step out. I'd be in the house. Like, what is your go-to shoe, guys? Let me know down below. I always wear these Uggs. Like, thanks is the truth. Every year, I get a new pair. So this first one right here is the Dunk Low, and this is the triple black. Cool. All black shoe. This just kind of reminds me of my Black Cat 4s. Obviously not the same concept, but just that murdered out shoe. I got rid of my Black Cat 4s. Stupidest thing I ever did, because there's a lot of times that I needed an all black shoe. Now, I don't have one. Ended up getting one. But Dunk Lows, you know, you can't go wrong with these with so many different materials. Again, with that 5 on it concept, you have kind of like a perforated suede. What's really cool is they did almost like a leather swoosh on the inner panel of the shoe, and on the outer, it's kind of like this almost fax. Is that what they call it? Like fax, fake horse fur. I can't think of the name, bro. I always be on this. I need to write this stuff down before I record the videos. And you have nice suede, a breathable like kind of nylon, not necessarily nylon, what would you call that? Like a mesh, a breathable mesh material, and still going strong with the concept of just like that off-white deconstruction on the tongue. And again, it isn't all just blacked out shoe, but you also kind of have like this somewhat navy blue bottom, which really adds to the shoe a lot. What do you guys think about these, man? All black Dunks, a go or a no? I will say one thing with Dunks, I personally think they run a little bit bigger, so you could potentially go half a size. I could have probably gotten 11.5 if I wanted to, but I always stick with true to size. Half a size down, you'll be straight. So if you haven't tried a pair on, I highly recommend trying if you ever can. I know they always sell out, but another just cool sneaker to add to the collection. And with all these Undefeated Dunks, I wish they would have done embroidery. They kind of did like an embossment on this one, but I love when they do the embroidery on the Dunks. It just looks that much better and cleaner and really just premium, you know what I'm saying? And then the next pair, the Air Forces. These are pretty dope as well. This kind of takes me back to those old days. You guys remember all the different types of Air Forces. I remember being on, I remember being on MTV. I meant, I remember watching MTV and Fat Joe with all his Air Force Ones and all the different collaborations. And at the time, I'm like, that's really dope. You know, I wasn't really into sneakers like that, but I'm like, man, his collection is insane. So to see something like that just kind of gives me that nostalgia of watching those days. And you do have that embroidered Undefeated logo, which just, man, it just looks that much better in my opinion. All the different materials, you got the yellow crocodile leather, kind of like this vintage worn out yellow sole, different panels. You have kind of like this smooth leather on one side or patent leather, I could just on the swoosh and on the back. And then you have a mesh yellow swoosh on the inner panel of the sneaker, and it's just dope. It really makes me wonder if they're just gonna keep going. Like, what else do they have in the chamber? One thing that I'd love to see from Nike, like through ID, is to be able to like embroider on your shoe. I miss the days where you could just kind of customize your own shoes to whatever, you know, if you wanted to make a Yeezy 2 colorway or just really make it your own, copy a Jordan 1 Chicago. Like, I wish they would bring that back. I don't know why they don't. They're making good money. It gives us an opportunity to really like customize our shoes and kind of make them ours. So I'm hoping maybe we see that like in the next year or so. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, other than that, that's kind of just the pickups that I've been on. That's just kind of what I've gotten recently. I think I have like 7 pairs coming later, so maybe I'll just do like a huge pickup video. I know you guys like to see those, but I'm still collecting full force. One of the newest additions that I've added to my like sneaker room is these drop front boxes. So you guys know typically I get my stuff from the container. I wear a size 12, 13. These new ones, these are from Sneaker Throne. I'll put the link down below. I'm affiliated with them now, so you guys can get 10% off the cases. But these are so much more dope, bro. Like, so you know how the typical is, like you see the back, 12 fits in there, but these, like, it's just on display. So I got a few cases just to put in like shoes that I'll never probably wear, just like the heaters. I got more, still need to set that up. And then I also got this glass case down here. This is also from Sneaker Throne, and it lights up, which I'll do a full video once I have all these set up, but pretty hard, man. I've lived in this apartment for like 2 years now, and I'm still working on trying to just set it up. It's never settle, man. I just can't get my man cave correctly, but I do want to do an office tour and kind of show you how I shoot my videos, all that good stuff. If you want to see it, let me know down below. Guys, I'm just in a creative funk right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to make dope stuff, but it's like I can't think of ideas. Any concepts, anything that you want to see, that you want to know, and it doesn't have to just be sneakers. You guys know I'm way more complex than just shoes, man. If you want to see on the vlog channel a house tour or a car tour or learn about real estate or NFTs, like, bro, anything, let me know. Just let me know down below. I need you guys to help me like spark this creative, to get these juices flowing. You know what I'm saying? I can't even talk, you know what I mean? Let me know down below, what are the most recent pickups you've gotten? I know I got so many questions for you. I'm like, tell me what shoes you're wearing. Tell me what pickups you got. Tell me ideas. Do whatever you want, man. Hope all y'all staying safe out there. I'm chilling, man. Just working like usual. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Run it.